Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bluesky. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will click on Bluesky and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. As you see in this list, you will click on you will click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.